How did Elon Musk earn his first millions? Did you know that in the 90s, Elon Musk lived in a cheap rented office, ate for $1 a day, and slept on the floor? Today he is a billionaire. But how did he make his first big money? Let's find out. The way to the first millions. Elon Musk has been fascinated by technology since childhood. At the age of 12, he created his first video game blaster and sold it for $500. But he started earning real money in the 90s, when the internet was just gaining popularity. Zip2. The first business in 1996, Musk and his brother created Zip2, an online newspaper catalog. It was a service that helped traditional media go online. At first, they literally lived in the office and worked 20 hours a day. But a few years later, Zip2 was bought by Compaq for $307 million. Musk got his share, $22 million. PayPal is an even greater success. Musk did not stop there. In 1999, he created X.com, an online bank that merged with PayPal a year later. It was a revolutionary payment service, and in 2002, it was bought by eBay for $1.5 billion. Elon received $180 million. What happened next? Instead of living comfortably on this money, Musk invested it in new companies. $100 million in SpaceX, $70 million in Tesla, $10 million in Solar City. Today, these companies are worth billions, and Musk is one of the richest people in the world. Conclusion. Elon Musk was not just lucky. He worked hard, took risks, and invested all his money in new ideas. What do you think about his path? Write in the comments.